Give us this day our daily bread, and today's daily bread comes from Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They will soar high on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Hello, I'm V, and welcome to the channel. Today on our Sunday plate, we're having a classic, homemade banana bread. Let's get into it. So the ingredients for this classic recipe are pretty simple. We'll be using bread flour, brown sugar, salt, baking soda, 4 ripe bananas, and 2 large eggs. We'll start by adding all of our dry ingredients like bread flour, baking powder, and salt to a large bowl. Mix those well and set aside. In a separate bowl, we're adding our brown sugar and a stick of room temperature butter. Blend those together until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. In another bowl, use a potato masher to mash your ripe bananas. Add your bananas and your 2 beaten eggs to your brown sugar mixture. Give these ingredients a good mix until well blended. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. Now that those are folded in well, let's prepare our loaf pan. I'm using a spray butter to coat my loaf pan, but you can use the oil of your choice. Place a piece of parchment paper at the bottom of the pan. Next, we're going to pour in our batter. And once we get it all in there, we're going to spread it evenly. Give her a gentle shake to level things out. And pop her in the oven at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. Once your bread is finished baking, you're going to do a toothpick test to make sure it's done. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means she's done. And there you have it, folks. Classic banana bread. I enjoy this dish with a nice cup of hot tea. What do you like to have with your banana bread? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, the most important ingredient for any recipe is love. If you're looking for your YouTube tribe, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.